Scene: hotel hallway. Barcelona, a housekeeper walking outside the room. Barcelona knock on the door and say housekeeping.
Housekeeping.
No answer. Barcelona open the door and enter the room. The room is visibly messy. Barcelona say to herself, okay, room 302, VIP guest, just check out. Time to get this room ready for the next guest. Barcelona tapping on the device, room 302, changing status to vacant dirty or VD. Now Barcelona efficiently stripping the bed, gathering used towel and empty trash bin. Now, first, he remove all the used linen and trash. Then we'll start with the bathroom, followed by the bedroom area. We make sure to follow the standard operating procedures for cleaning a VIP room, paying extra attention to details. Then Barcelona, going to bathroom, and he meticulously cleaning the bathroom, scrubbing the sink, toilet, and shower. Barcelona, he used a specific cleaning agent approved by the hotel to ensure everything is sanitized properly. After cleaning, he restocked all the amenities according to the VIP standard.